Hello students, today we are going to see exercise 5.5 question number 9. On lighting a rocket cracker, it gets projected in a parabolic path and reaches a maximum height of 4 meter when it is 6 meter away from the point of projection. Finally, it reaches the ground 12 meter away from the starting point. Find the angle of projection. Just name this point as A. So A is the point of projection. A is the point of projection of the rocket cracker. This cracker, it gets projected in a parabolic path. You can see that it gets projected in a parabolic path and it reaches the maximum height. So here it reaches the maximum height. So the maximum height is given as 4 meter. So when is it reaching the maximum height? It reaching the maximum height when it moves 6 meters away from the point of projection. It reaches the maximum height when it moves 6 meters away from the point of projection. So this is 6 meters and this is the maximum height. Finally, it reaches the ground. When it reaches the ground, the distance from the point of projection to this point, we'll name this point as B. This distance AB is 12 meters. It reaches the ground 12 meter away from the starting point. So this is starting point. It reaches the point B. Find the angle of projection. So this is the angle of projection. Let us write the equation of this parabolic curve. This is open downward. So let us first write the equation of this parabola. It is open downwards. If the parabola is open downwards, then the equation is x square is equal to minus 4ay is open downwards. So we have to find a. To find a, let us take this point, this or this. You can take the point A or you can take the point B because both the points are on this parabola. So the point B lies on the parabola. Point B is 6, minus 4 is a point on the parabola. You can use either the point A or you can use the point B. So now let us substitute here. Put x is equal to 6, so you'll get 36. This point is 6, minus 4. Why is the 6, minus 4? AB is 12. So this, if you name this as C, so CB is 6. CB is 6 and this is 4. So this is the x coordinate of this point B. So this distance is equal to CB. So CB is the x coordinate. So x coordinate is CB. CB's length is equal to 6 and MB is the y coordinate. What is MB? That is equal to VC. So VC is equal to 4. So this point B is 6, minus 4. So the point 6, minus 4 is a point on the parabola. So we can substitute x as 6. So you will get x square is 36 minus 4a, y is minus 4. So you get now 36 by 16 is equal to a. That is equal to, so a is equal to 9 by 4. So the equation of this parabola is now x square is equal to minus 4, a is 9 by 4 into y. The equation of this curve is x square is minus 9y. X square is minus 9y. Now the question is find the angle of projection at this point. That is this angle is asked. So let us find the equation of the tangent at this point. Then you find the slope. So how do you find this now? So equation of tangent, how will you write? X square is equal to minus 9y. How do you find the equation of a tangent at x1, y1? Equation of tangent x1, y1 is replace x square by x1 minus 9, y should be replaced by y plus y1 by 2. So you have to replace x square by x1 and y you have to replace it by y plus y1 by 2. So this is the equation of a tangent at x1, y1. We are going to find the equation of tangent at minus 6, minus 4. So the equation of a tangent at minus 6 minus 4 is x into, replace x1 by minus 6, minus 9 by 2, y1 is minus 4. So we can cancel this. So you get 3 2s are 3 3s are. So you get 2 into 2 4x. 4x is equal to 3y minus 4, or you get 4x by 3 is y minus 4. So what is y equal to? Y is 4x by 3 plus 4. This 4 by 3, y is, this is the form, y is mx plus c. So m is 4 by 3. M means the slope. Slope means tan theta. So tan theta is 4 by 3. So what is theta? Theta is tan inverse 4 by 3. So the angle of projection is, if this is the angle, theta is the angle, then the angle of projection is, theta is tan inverse 4 by 3. So we can find the equation of tangent and do it, or you can also do it finding the using differentiation. The same question you can also do it as, so x square differentiation is 2x, minus 9 differentiation of y with respect to x is dy by dx. So dy by dx is equal to minus 2x by 9. At the point, what is the point here? We are going to find the slope at the point minus 6 minus 4. So at the point minus 6 minus 4, substitute x is minus 6. So you get minus 2 by 9 into minus 6. So it is equal to 4 by 3. So dy by dx is nothing but tan theta. That is a slope. Dy by dx is slope at a point. So m is equal to tan theta, that is equal to 4 by 3. So theta is tan inverse 4 by 3. So we can find the tangent, we can find the angle of projection using the equation of the tangent, then finding the slope, or you can just straight away differentiate it. So x square differentiation is 2x, minus 9 into dy by dx, you get dy by dx is equal to minus 2x by 9, substitute x as minus 6, so you get 4 by 3. So dy by dx is nothing but the slope. Slope means it is tan theta. So tan theta is 4 by 3. So theta is tan inverse of 4 by 3. Thank you.